I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, DIY-HA.com, and this video shares a little bit about a new board from Arduino. This is the Arduino Tre. I was invited to be part of their beta testing program, so this is not yet released as of the time of this video. Basically, this is a new board that they're offering, and the idea is that it's kind of a mashup of the traditional Arduino. So you have what's basically an Arduino Leonardo, combined together with sort of a more capable board that can run a full Linux operating system. And you can see here on the footprint of the board, it's kind of huge. It's actually a couple inches long here. What they've done is actually taken the footprint of the Leonardo and etched it right onto the board. So here's the normal headers you would see, all the different inputs, and I've got a little blink M on top of there. That's what the wires are. It's for a different project that I'll do a video on later. But basically what this gives you is you have the Sitara processor over here, and that's going to be running a full Linux operating system again, kind of like you would see on a Raspberry Pi or a BeagleBone. And then it's connected electrically and on the same board to this basically full Leonardo. So you can put code on Leonardo that would be running on a normal Arduino, and you have all the same pinouts and everything. And then you can also run higher level scripts on the Sitara processor with a full graphical interface. And you can see over here we've got USB support, we've got networking support, we even have an HDMI out over on the side. We've got audio capabilities. So basically what Arduino have done here is to blend together the capabilities of a normal Arduino for running really great low-level code, for controlling sensors, it's got the full ADC and all that kind of stuff, and they've connected it up with all of the infrastructure you would need to run a Python script, to run a graphical interface, and combined it all together on one board. And this is awesome for home automation because you could basically be running a Python script to pull data from the sensors that are feeding into the ADCs on this Arduino. You could even stick on top of this a traditional Arduino shield because again you have the same footprint and the same pinout. So if you wanted to add on some kind of sensing shield or a Zigbee shield or something like that, you could stick it on there. And you could read from your normal Arduino code. You wouldn't have to rewrite anything you'd written before. But then from the scripts running on the Sitara processor in Linux, you would have full networking control, you would have a graphical interface, and that really allows you to do a lot of things that you couldn't do either just on a Raspberry Pi or BeagleBone with a low level, but also allows you to do a lot of high-level stuff, again, networking and graphics that you couldn't do on a basic Arduino. So I don't know how much this board will be when it does come out, probably around $150. It's a little on the pricey side, but you can check out the Arduino website and you can see DIY-HA.com for more information.